What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we are going to go over Wednesday's game plan. Before we do that, let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets tomorrow. And you already know we got Fed Powell on deck, 2 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But guys, y'all know how we act when we get data drops. We don't jump in the first green candle that we see booming up, and we don't jump in the first red candle that we see going down. We sit back, we wait patiently, and we wait for a clear direction. We wait for the proper setups, and then we get on them. We pounce. Before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way, you stay on top of these dynamite plays. First ticker up, newbies and beginners, y'all come on up. It's gonna be TSLL. They're sitting at 39 even. If you are a bull, what you want to see them open higher than 39.20. They can do that. Next level up. Boom, you got 39.45 on deck. Next level up is going to be 39.85. They can take out that. You got 40.10, and then boom, you got 40.50 on deck. On the downside, what you want to see this little area right here at 38.65 get taken out. They can take out that. They coming back down to this stuff right in here at 38.30. Next level down is going to be 37.80. Next level is going to be 37.40. So ultimately, they trying to drop this thing back down to 36.45. Once you start seeing those areas get taken out, you know what to do. Pay attention to this area right here. If they do get back down to that area right there, expect the bulls to come on. 36.45. If bulls unable to pop that thing, the bear's going to come back down with a lot more pressures. There you go in that ticker. Next ticker up is going to be Palantir. They sitting at 73.30. If you are a bull, what you want to see these tops right here get taken out at 73.60. Next level up is going to be this area, 73.70. Got some turbulence. They can get through this area right here, 74.15. They can start booming this thing back up. They can start booming it back up. You got 74.60. You got 74.90, and then boom, you got to break out at 75.30. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms at 73.20 get taken out. They can take out those levels right there. You got 73 even. Next level down is going to be 72.70. Ultimately, they trying to get back down to 71.70. If bears can break that, they're going to run this thing under the $70 mark back into the 69. There you go in Palantir. Next ticker up, HUT. Newbies and the beginners. This is one that you can afford. You can play and you can make some money on it. You see they had that run up and then they came back down. That's an eating opportunity going up as well as down. If you are a bull, you want to see 29.75 get taken out. They take out that, boom, you come into 30 even. Next level up is going to be 30.25. They break through that, you got 30.50. Ultimately, they trying to get back to this top up in here at 30.90. They break through that, they can keep running. Expect the bears to come on at that area right there. I'd almost draw a trend line across there at 30.90 and see if the bears react at that point right there. If they start reacting and the bulls unable to break through that right there, you already know it's coming back down. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this level right here at 29.50 get taken out. They can take out 29.50. You got 29.20 on deck. Next level down is going to be 28.90. They lose that right there. Ultimately, they trying to get back down to 28.40 before they drop this thing really low. And as you see, that's a bottom. That's a bottom. What happened once they hit this bottom? They went back up. So naturally, once you see them coming back down to this area up in here, 28.50, expect the bulls to try to bounce that thing back up. There you go in those tickers right there. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got something for you guys. Let's go ahead and get it. SPY, first ticker up. All right, people. In SPY, They gave us a little bit. They gave us a little downside. They smacked that thing down. I had a level down here at 602.90. They smacked it to that level, went back up, came back down to this level and popped it back up. Guys, if you are a bull, you want to see 604.30 get taken out. They can take out 604.30. They're going to try to boom this thing back to 604.95 before they break this level at 605.20. They can break through that. You got this stuff over here at 605.70 and then boom, 606.35. Next level up is going to be 606.80 and then you got 607.15. To the downside, if you are a bear, what you want to see is this level right here at 603.90 get taken out. We can take out that. You got 603.55. Next level down is going to be this stuff in here at 603.25 and then boom, 602.90. That's going to be a heavy level. As you see, that was a heavy level today. They was unable to break it. What happens if bears lose the fight right there? We going back up. Next level down, if they can get through there, boom, you got to drop to 602.29. They break that right there. You got some turbulence, but they trying to take this thing all the way back down to this stuff down here at 600.85. We'll handle SPY in real time once they start taking out those areas. That's SPY. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. Tesla is sitting at 472.65. If you are a bull, you want to see 474.10 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this level at 476.30. Next level up is going to be 478.50. Next level is going to be these shoulders in here at 480.55 and then boom, you got 482.50. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right here at 471.50 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this stuff down in here, 470. They lose that right there. You got this stuff in here, 467.50. This level down here at 465.80. We'll handle in real time because if they start breaking through 457.45, they're going to start falling really hard. So there you go in Tesla. Next ticker up is going to be a new one on here. Getting a lot of requests for this one right here. Ticker symbol AVGO. Here we go. They're sitting at 238.20. If you are a bull, you want to see 238.40 get taken out. They can take out 238.40. The next level up is going to be a run up to 239.20. Next level up, 239.70, and then boom, you got 240.80. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this stuff in here get taken out at 237.70. Next level down is going to be 237 even. Next level after that is going to be this stuff up in here at 236.10. Next level down, they're trying to get back down to this stuff up in here, 234.08, or you can call it 233.75. But look what's going on here, guys. You got this bottom. Then you got the double bottom. Guys, what's going to happen when they come back down here? You're going to create that triple bottom. And what's happening in the triple bottom? You're going to get a reaction. Expect a reaction. Expect the bulls to pounce this thing and bounce this thing back up to the upside. These are simple tools on here that the candles is trying to show you. And all you got to do is scroll left and see what's going on, understand what they're trying to tell you. And these are money-making opportunities. If you able to spot this on your own, jump in there and throw you a play in there, set that stop loss, start getting familiar and comfortable with throwing your own line out there in the water, man, it feels good when you can fish on your own. Guys, that's why I do this. I do this that way I can show you setups that you can be able to do on your own or identify on your own. Takes a little work, but man, once you start seeing them, you can see it on any chart. It doesn't matter if it's a SPY, Tesla, wherever. You can see it, play that play, and be able to dominate and make money in that place. That's just a little something I wanted to throw at y'all. We had a couple plays in there. I want to go back to the SPY chart because it's something that came in the Discord today. I called out SPY. Bears trying to break through VWAP in the 5 minute at 604.20. Closing under isn't good for the Bulls. Bears will attempt to go lower. Guys, I called this out at long before it got to VWAP, letting you know what they was trying to do. That's a chance to get out of those puts, get out of those calls that you in, and switch to puts, or either just preserve your profit if you are in the upside. And you see what happened? You see Tiger knocking that hat down. You already know what's going on. A Tesla place. That's just another one that we knocked out of the ballpark. Guys, right here. He throwing his hat off, that's the SPY. SPY broke VWAP. They just completely crashed. And y'all say, how do I know this? Man, I'm just scrolling back, looking at history, seeing what's going on, and you're able to put this stuff out to you guys. And I said, boom, I put the warning out there. 603 breakdown, you got 603.10, heavy level. And I seen this happening right here. I put this out in the Discord. I said, guys, check out SPY. SPY is trying to form a double bottom. I said, if so, them puts are off the table. Get rid of those puts. Scale down on the puts if you're still in. I said, Bulls can potentially pounce here. Wouldn't rule it out. Bears break and hold under 603.05. It invalidates this. I'm looking at it. I'm seeing what's going on. And then I said, man, let me scroll left. I scroll all the way left. And I see this over here. And I'm like, oh, that's what's going on. Let me change that little number right here. And this is long before they even came to that spot. I said, SPY Bulls pouncing range is 603.15 through 602.80. Bulls can explode in this zone. Under it, the Bears can get this thing knocked down. But now we're not just looking at a double bottom no more. We're looking at a triple bottom. You already know what's ready to happen. And you see Tiger smacking hands, you already know we knocked that thing out of the ballpark. And we got to my striking zone where I said Bulls can explode at in this area right here. Where is my striking range? We came down to 602.88. And then what happened? Boom! We jumped all the way to 604.75, almost a $2 pop from when I told you guys to scale out of those puts because Bulls is ready to pounce. I see a double bottom, but I scrolled, like I said, I scrolled back and I seen what was going on. We got a triple bottom going on. We know what's ready to happen. They ready to boom that thing, and that's exactly what they did. Guys, this is a little something that I be trying to put out there to you guys. That way it's something out there that'll help you preserve that profit. Guys, again, these are setups that you can pay attention to, that you can make money on throughout the way. But before we get up out of here, I just want to say, hey, congrats to everybody that made money today. I got your messages. I see what you did. Keep grinding. It's impressive. It's inspirational. I love it. Keep doing your thing. For the guys that was on the sideline or jumped in plays too early, stop doing that. You do not have to get in every play. Stop letting FOMO get you. Chalk it up to, if a play passed me by, it wasn't meant to be. Simple. That simple. Number one, if you don't have a plan, you don't get in a play. Number two, if you don't have a exit strategy, you don't get into that play. Number three, if you don't have a take profit area, you don't get into that play. Simple. Last but not least, if you have to ask somebody else, where should you take out at, you shouldn't get into that play. Do your homework before you get into these plays. Know what's going on and know what you want to do when everything is running good, but know what you want to do when things go left and go the other way. Guys, if we do that, it's all kind of things that we can do out there to help us win, to help us preserve profit. Just because you don't make $1,000 doesn't mean you can't win. Having a good loss is a good win. Don't forget that. You can lose $100 or you can lose $1,000. It's all about your risk management and where you set your stops at. If you took a mental stop, which we know that ain't gonna work, set the darn stop loss. That way it protects you against these catastrophic losses. Guys, I just wanted to put that out there. That way you guys had something to go into your mind into tomorrow afternoon session, because you know we got Fed Powell, and we know what that guy can do with the market. He could boom this thing really high. Well, he can drop it really low. And I know FOMO gets a lot of people on Fed Powell watch days. Just don't let it happen to you. I don't want to see it happen to you. We in the market, we in the business to take it. We in the business to take it from Wall Street, not to give it back. So just remember that going into tomorrow. Before I get out of here, I just want to show some more love to Pretty Hustle. Happy birthday. I hope you celebrating your day. Thank you for everything that you do. We appreciate you. So for everybody else, if you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full morning list of call outs, as well as knowing what the plays are trying to do throughout the session. So, hey, I done took enough of your time, but if you like sniper type level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.